28th of February was Holocaust Memorial Day. Hopefully you all watched everything online to see the tributes coming in. It's incredibly important that we remember. We must remember all those that lost their lives and the travesties that took place. Many people didn't actually believe that the Holocaust was happening. As the stories came through, they didn't think it could be true. They didn't believe that that many people could be killed. It's important we take that time to remember everybody that lost their lives. The worst part is we don't know the exact numbers. We don't know how many exactly died in those concentration camps. What we know is that it wasn't just Jews. Many people lost their lives. We live in a diverse culture. Here in Leicester, we're a multicultural city. We have people of different ethnicity, different religion, different sexual orientation. All lost their lives during the Holocaust. A man named Adolf Hitler, when Germany was struggling, started preaching anti-Semitism, started blaming the country's problems on a particular religious group. People listened. This man prophesied another war. He spoke about the extermination of these people. And people listened. People cheered. People lost their lives as a result. To go to the concentration camps is an experience I recommend for you all, particularly Auschwitz, often the symbol of the Holocaust due to how many people were killed. The fact that some concentration camps were specifically for a group of people, Auschwitz being specific to Jews. Just imagine now hearing on the news, people talking and preaching about you, saying that you, because of your beliefs, are the problem. Imagine hearing that now, and imagine seeing people applaud this. Imagine having faith in humanity. Imagine thinking that this could not happen, that what this man is saying could not take place. And then imagine as it did. Imagine as friends and family lost their lives. We live in a world now where we accept people for who they are. You have lessons of acceptance. You have lessons explaining that some people are homosexual, that some people are disabled. You have lessons explaining different religious beliefs. And these lessons are some of the most important that you have in school. Because the key message through all of these lessons is acceptance, is understanding, is making sure that you never persecute anybody for their beliefs, for what they feel. And you must never, ever allow hate to win. It wasn't just people of an ethnicity, it wasn't just religious beliefs that suffered. As the Nazis grew more powerful, political prisoners were also killed. People that spoke out, people that dared to challenge the regime, that dared to stand up for the injustice, were also killed. When you go to a concentration camp, you immediately feel the pain. You feel this place was a place of suffering and of death. When you stand in Auschwitz-Birkenau at the train station and you look around and you see the bunkers, you see the amount of them. When you look left, look right, look forwards, look backwards, and all you can see are bunkers. To know that so many people got off that train and never saw loved ones again. And then you learn of the atrocities that took place, the murder that took place. The gas chambers are never as big as you would imagine. They're small. You imagine a huge room, bigger than this school. They're tiny. The actual gas chamber itself is tinier than the theatre that I'm sat in now. People were crammed in and murdered. And then as you read more and see more, and you understand that people tested killing methods. People tried different killing methods. And you think, how could people do this? How could people do this to other people? That's why we must never forget. That's why we must always think of those who lost their lives. That's why every year we remember the Holocaust. We remembered the atrocities that took place. We remember that one man speaking about hate led to more suffering than even we know about. At no point during this have I mentioned numbers That's because I can't tell you. We can estimate that roughly 6 million Jews were killed, but we don't know the exact numbers. There are too many. Too many people died. Too many people lost their lives because of something they believed in. Today, I ask you to remember and never forget that this must not happen again.